Hey guys, it's your girl Clara and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today. In this video is we are going to reveal kung ano yung mga TikTok's viral products na sulit tsaka mabenta sa masa. So kung gusto niyo mapanood tong video na ito, just keep on watching. So I have a story in here about TikTok's viral beauty products. So I went to Bucon, Manila last Friday. So, it's para siyang Toy-Con. Para siyang Toy-Con but more on beauty products. So, marami akong na-discover na beauty products that was trending online. Yung nakikita ko lang sa TikTok, sa Shopee, sa Lazada. Nandun na lahat sa nung event na yon. So, nag-a-day na live vlog ako. Then, I show it lahat sa haul. But in this video kasi, we are going to talk about the products na naging trending sa TikTok, tsaka kung ano yung mas mabenta sa masa, or naging popular talaga yung pinaka what do you call it? Pinaka nag-boom sa madla. Kung gusto niyo malaman itong mga products na ito, just keep on watching. We are going to review now the products that are viral on TikTok, yung mga beauty products na sikat sa TikTok. So, na-feature sila sa Bucon, Manila. But some of here matagal ko nang alam na trending sila. So, not all of here are makeup, but majority were beauty products, not related to makeup, but more on another dimension of beauty products. But before we start talaga, so first up, ito talaga ay napaka number 1 budol na brush cleaner. This is from Moxie Pro. I got the powder puff. So kung naubos ko to, I'll get another variant with this one. So this powder puff, gusto ko siya i-try. Ito yung budol kay Miss Jen De Leon. And it's always a TikTok trending product sa Moxie Pro kasi natatanggal lahat ng mga dumi sa brushes. Next one, of course, another TikTok trending product is another one sa online na to ha. First, yung mga online. So, Sleek Stick. Of course, I like this hair stick at all kasi nag-stay sa hair ko yung tuchang ko. Yan, nag-stay sa hair ko yung mga tuchang ko. And highly recommended ko yung pink one. Meron sa bagong variant. I'm gonna try it soon. Then lastly, mostly sa Race Beauty product. So I have their lotion. Then sa makeup kit ko, of course, yung isa sa mga the best is their sunscreen. So ito sa Race Beauty products, especially love ko talaga yung kanilang scrub, which is another trending or talagang staple product na yan sa TikTok ng sa Race Beauty. So with this two combo, love it. Ubos na yung serum ko, guys, with this one. So, next one is yung mga naging so, some of the products na nandun sa Bucon, Manila. Yung nauna is yung meron ako, matagal na sa akin. So, yung mga products, ito meron na sa Bucon, Manila. I can show you the products, some of them, kasi that was used already. Binigay ko na sa sister ko. So, first product talaga na unahin natin yung mga wala na dito. Of course, itong Freshies, yung kanilang Freshies Melon Milk. So, this is another TikTok staple product. So, supplement siya. I tried it talaga, yung Juju Glow nila. So, revolutionary new line siya ng beauty products na crafted to give your skin the ultimate glow. It's a collagen. So, it has 2 flavors. Melon milk and avocado milk. So, na-taste ko siya pareho. Tsaka sobrang refreshing siya nung na-taste ko siya dun sa Bucon, Manila. I didn't have the record yung mga drinks or supplements na nainom ko dun sa Bucon, Manila kasi you know, ang hirap mag-film doon na mag-isa kasi ang dami-dami kong dala and more. Tapos, Juicy Tushy, mga Butt Max Scrub, Intimate Care Serum and Body Bleaching, tapos Stretch Marks and Scar Super Cream, isa sa mga trending products ng Freshie. So, Jane De Leon is the endorser din. Ito yung brochure nila. Another product na nagustuhan ko during the is the sunscreen. Sunscreen. Itong sunscreen ng Queen White. Ito siya, ganito siya. Meron ako nito, however, napakita ko na siya sa haul. Meron ako nito, pero binigay ko na sa younger sister ko because my sister needs sunscreen, especially going to school na sila, back to school na sila. Tapos, next one is itong Hue products. Simple Hue products, ayan, meron ditong Dose of Fit. Meron ako nito, wait lang. So, tapos itong Haze Sunscreen, yung kanilang sleeping mask, sunscreen here. Then, of course, yung meron sila sa Bombat. Ito yung mga other parts of the body, mga whitening serum, whitening cream, tapos yung mga bikini, mga serums dito sa last page na to. Actually, I am going to review this on a separate video. This is their bare face sunscreen. So, ito yung meron ako, matagal na nagka-trending sa TikTok to. So, itatest out natin siya kung totoo yung claims nito. And yung daily dose, ito yung, meron ako nito, kasama siya sa bag. Yung rainbow bag. Napakita ko na siya, and actually nasa baba siya, yan ang iniinom ko. Iniinom ko siya, nung na-receive ko siya, iniinom ko na siya until this day. So, yun. Another investment for your health yun. Next product, of course, yung wala dito. Yung wala dito talaga na nagustuhan ko during BuCon Manila na nag-trending sa TikTok. Nag-trending sa TikTok particularly is itong itong honey skin. So, ang nagustuhan ko dito yung amoy is the lotion and the body wash. Ang amoy honey siya, tsaka ito yung ma-recommend ko na trending products sa TikTok. And lastly, so ito Queen White, si Jenica Garcia. Ayan, si Jenica Garcia. Meron ako dito na na I'll share to you later on. So, meron pa siguro. So, yun lang yung mga walang products na wala ako dito na nakuha na or hindi nakuha na talaga as usual. And of course, another from Queen White, ito kanilang handy lotion. So, ito yung sanadya ko hingin to kasi ang dami namimigay ng mga lotion, mga ganitong handy pack during the event as is. And of course, ito kanilang Queen White sabon. So, gine-keep ko muna siya kasi gagamitin ko siya as a stock as is. Next one is Kufu Bar Magara Skin. So, I get the pair. Kasi sa totoo lang, dapat isa lang. Pero kailangan pair kasi feature ko to. Kasi ito yung pinaka-staple na TikTok trending product talaga. Itong Magara Skin na ito. So, kailangan pair siya kasi best partners ito. So, this is yung coffee, ito ay coffee partner scrub, and this is a coffee scrub soap. Ayan, dapat pair siya, itong Kufu Bar. So, I'm going to try this. Excited to try this, and I like the smell of coffee and milk tea. Another one is this Bubble Joe na rice milk. So, ito yung amoy gatas na sabon. Itong produktong to, I super duper love it. And another, last soap that I like, Jenna Essence Coco Berry Body Soap. So, this is my soap for now. Binuksan ko yung isa kasi dalawa ang meron ako. So, binuksan ko yung isa. So this one talaga is so refreshing sa balat. And amoy coconut and strawberry siya. Next one, of course, I have 2 pieces in here. Etong sample packs ng kanilang Snail Collagen. Maganda to sa balat, guys. Highly recommended ko itong moisturizer ng Coco Berry. So, I got 1 gram of here. Yung isa, bawas na. Ayan, bawas na. Kasi gamit na gamit ko. So, I'll try this. So, ayan. Sobrang refreshing siya. Refreshing na moisturizer siya on my face. And of course, products from Saku Skin. Ito ay brand nila Jackie Gonzaga tsaka ni Loisa. So, this is the Saku Skin. So, I have the 2 combo in here. Everyday, single day. So, this is a sunscreen. I'm gonna keep this for now. And it proved na wala siyang white cast, pero magiging staple product ko to, so on. And lagi kong ginagamit, and I like the mist of it. Mist ito. So, this is Mist Protect. May SPF itong from Saku Skin. Also, ang number 1 TikTok trending product na talagang gustong-gusto ko makuha, matagal na. So, they give me samples right now. Babe Formula. So, may picture ako na siyo nito. This is always a best-selling product. I always saw this everywhere on social media. So, this is a great shampoo. So, I'm gonna try this shampoo talaga. So, na-try ko na yung isang sachet ng shampoo and I like it. Yung color yellow yun, pero now I'm gonna try the blue one kasi ito yung pinakasikat sa kanila. So I'm so excited to try the blue one. Nagustuhan ko yung mga Babe Formula na shampoo. Babe Formula shampoo as is noon pa. Okay. Next products that I have here, ito ay mga iniinom, mga supplements. First up, itong dietary supplement ng Beyond Sexy. So very, siya. So, meron siyang, tatlo ito. So, meron kasama yung kape. This is berries and banana, 8,000 milligrams ito. Kasama siya dito. Then, of course, itong sweet peach. I taste the sweet peach na iced tea and it's so good na juice. So good na juice and I really love it. So, but yung kape, yan yung ininom ko kaninang umaga. Yung kanilang steaming coffee. And, voila, I like it. Next one, ito ay ang pinaka-trending Slurpee supplement, Melona. Nawawala yung isang ganito ko, dalawa to The color pink one. Ito yung Melona. So, this is a melon, 100% lemon, tsaka ang sarap nito as is. So kung ako magre-recommend, Freshies yung yung katapat nito yung Juju Glow na melon milk, tsaka this one, itong Melona. Then, next is Cola Glow. Sikat tong Cola Glow na to, ha. Sikat tong Cola Glow to ever since talaga ito yung majority na nauubos tong Cola Glow na to. Kasi it is a strawberry flavor and it has collagen as is with this one. Then, of course, itong in-endorse si Janela Salvador tsaka ni Kaylin Alcantara. This is a Shepu Apple Juice. I tried this one yesterday and it's so delicious. Lasang-lasa ko yung apple flavor with this one. The next one is the Glutaglow. So, itong Glutaglow na to this is a watermelon product and I like the taste with it nung tinikman ko ito sa event, dun sa mismong event nito nung Friday. Gusto ko yung watermelon. Tsaka, dalawa ito, I forgot what's the flavor. I'm just gonna check it later. And of course, itong Aichi yogurt drink. Meron pa akong isang nagustuhan na drink, yung avocado. Kaya lang hindi ako nabigyan para matry ito with this one. Ang sarap nito, guys, lemon cucumber. And, nakailang laklak ako nito noon. Nakailang laklak ako nung time na yun. So, must try to. Dose of Fit, ito yung kanina na nasabi ko. So, I have nandito pala sa supplement bar. So, may dalawang klase sila. So, this is fat burning. Ito yung masarap siya. And it's a juice. Akala ko kape to. Juice talaga siya. So, parang siyang chocolate boost. So, ito ay Slim and Detoxify, Antioxidant, and Boost Immune System. And this one, ito ay parang kape lang. So, coffee milk siya. So, this is fat burner, antioxidant, and boost more on kasi more on skincare. Pero bago ko makalimutan, so gusto ko rin i-highly recommended si Dior Cosmetics. Gusto ko yung Sun Secure nila. Meron ako sample size, kaya lang mabilis siya maubos kasi maliit lang siya. And of course, another TikTok trending product, Sugar Dolls na perfume. Ito yung lagi ko nakikita sa social media na binibenta nila. So, ito talaga, sobrang bango talaga. Meron Lilac Dream na ito, tapos Beach Vibes. I'll try the Beach Vibes. Ang pabango ng Sugar Dolls. Tapos, dun ko nakita si Lenny tsaka si Haji. So, that's it for today's video. I just want to say, thank you guys for watching and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in my next video.